Hello and welcome back to Sundays with Selma. Today we are exploring the beautiful Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge. It's located in Indiahoma, Oklahoma. Let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the adventure and the natural beauty of Oklahoma. Today we are visiting the famous Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge in Oklahoma. Located in the southern part of Oklahoma, this remarkable wildlife refuge lies approximately 22 miles northwest of Lawton and about 2 hours drive from Oklahoma City. As you travel toward the Wichita Mountains, you can clearly witness a dramatic transformation in the landscape. The scenery gradually changes from wide open grasslands to rugged, rocky mountains, revealing nature's incredible diversity. With every mile, a new and breathtaking view unfolds before your eyes. Covering nearly 59,000 acres, the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge is one of Oklahoma's most treasured natural attractions. It serves as a sanctuary for a wide variety of wildlife, including American bison, elk, Texas Longhorn cattle, prairie dogs, bald eagles, and many other species. Our journey begins at the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge Visitor Center. The Visitor Center provides detailed information about the refuge's diverse wildlife and plant life. Through engaging exhibits and educational displays, visitors can learn about the history, conservation efforts, and natural habitats of bison, Rocky Mountain elk, Texas Longhorn cattle, prairie dogs, and many other animals that call this refuge home. It is the perfect place to begin exploring and understanding the rich natural beauty and wildlife heritage of the Wichita Mountains Wildlife Refuge. After visiting the visitor center, we continued our journey by driving through several of the refuge's most scenic areas. Almost immediately, we were captured by the breathtaking landscapes that make this refuge one of Oklahoma's most cherished natural treasures. Around every curve, a new vista appeared with rugged granite mountains rising dramatically above the vast grasslands. As we ventured deeper into the refuge, we encountered numerous beautiful lakes and small streams. The crystal clear waters reflected the surrounding mountains and blue skies, adding even more beauty to the already spectacular scenery. The combination of rocky peaks, expansive prairies, and shimmering lakes created endless opportunities for photography and sightseeing. One of the most memorable parts of our journey was observing the wildlife in their natural habitat. We were fortunate to see large herds of American bison roaming freely across the grasslands. Watching these magnificent animals graze peacefully against the backdrop of the mountains was truly unforgettable. We also observed playful prairie dogs darting in and out of their burrows and standing watch atop small earthen mounds. Their energetic behavior offered a fascinating glimpse into the daily lives of these unique creatures. Along the way, we spotted several Texas Longhorn cattle. The Wichita Mountains themselves are a natural wonder. They contain some of the oldest exposed rocks in North America. These ancient granite formations, shaped over hundreds of millions of years, create a landscape unlike anywhere else in Oklahoma. Whether viewed from the roadside, reflected in a tranquil lake, or rising above the prairie, the mountains provided a stunning backdrop throughout our journey. As the day progressed, the refuge continued to amaze us with its beauty, abundant wildlife, and peaceful atmosphere. The combination of free roaming bison, prairie dogs, Texas Longhorn cattle, crystal clear lakes, and majestic mountains made this an unforgettable experience that will remain in our memories for years to come.